I'm Wonderbeard the Pirate, here to guide you day by day, vlog by vlog, how to convert trash and junk into cash or something of joy. Just be with me and I'll guide you all the way. Let's search the globe because the globe can't search me. I'm Wonderbeard the Pirate, raid.
All we hear now, Radio Gaga, Radio Goo Goo. All we hear now, Radio Gaga, Radio Goo Goo. Stereo comes through. Radio, someone still loves you. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, folks. Hello again. It's me, Wonderbeard the Pirate, wishing you a great Radio Gaga Freddie Mercury good morning. How do you do? I'm Wonderbeard the Pirate. What's up? What's up? I always start from the beginning because I can't start from the end. It's beginning light na. It's 6:26 in the morning. I'm kind of late kasi I got up late. Well, pirates need their sleep too, okay? And we got lots of things to vlog. We have an antique Chinese lamp, right, from the 1950s. That's right, from the Magbobote, okay? But before anything else, we have something to show with you. We have our English lesson. Sorry, we have our English lesson, right? Shiboom, right, okay? So, as usual, dun sa palengke, here in Quezon City, Philippines, ang daming mga mistakes in grammar. These people never learn. Sinabihan ko ng mga iba, pero they still don't do it. For example, nagbebenta sila ng shorts sa palengke. Diba? Shorts. Okay? Tapos nakalagay dun sa palengke, yung stall nila, na maraming shorts, nakalagay, short for sale. Yung walang S, short for sale. Dapat talaga, it's supposed to be shorts for sale. Kasi marami yun eh. Kasi akala nila, kapag marami, shorts. Kapag isa lang, short, which is wrong. Okay? So, dapat shorts for sale. Meron pa isa eh. This one is kinda correct pala. I found out. Okay? Even pirates make mistakes. Diba? For example, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Ito yung spelling ng dwarfs, no? Ganyan. Ang alam ko, yung plural ng dwarfs ay, yung dulo ay V.E.S. dwarves. Diba? As in scarf becomes scarves. As in handkerchief becomes handkerchiefs. Pero I discovered, no, according to Google Grammar, na tanggap po yung dwarfs na ganito. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, yung plural version. Okay? So, it's accepted. Then, meron pa isa. Total, malapit na yung online Zoom graduation sa March, no? I think, no? This word, congratulations. I hear this sometimes, no? Kapag may nag-graduate na bata, shake yung hands a bit, congratulations, yun, Kasi akala ng tao, pag isang tao, congratulations. Pag maraming tao, congratulations. Okay? Now, that's wrong. Whether isa o 1,000,000 nag-graduate, it should be congratulations, okay, and celebrations, okay? Don't forget that, mga teachers, no, and principals and other people, okay? Saka yung pronunciation, first honorable mention, first honorable mention. Dapat, yung stress mark ay nasa first syllable. First honorable mention. First honorable mention. At saka, late na ako. A-attend ako ng graduation ceremony. A-attend ako ng graduation ceremony, which is wrong. The stress mark must be in the first syllable again. Okay? So, dapat, a-attend ako ng flag or graduation ceremony. Ceremony. Yan ang tama. Okay? And finally, we have this expression. No? She's coping. She's coping. Ano yung coping? Uminom ng kape? She's coffee naman yun. She's coping. Ibig sabihin nun ay nagsusurvive siya day by day. Okay, day by day. Chat, 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 chat. Oh, come what may. Okay? So, she's coping. Tinitiis niya ang kanyang problema by prayer, meditation, advice, good diet, good sleeping habits. Yung tinitiis yung problema. Yung getting used to it. She's coping. Okay? That's very good. All right. So that ends our English lesson for today. Okay? And we go now to ay salamat. Quiet. And now we go to our supporting vlog features. Boom! May nag-comment sa akin na isang Wondermate, sabi, Wonderbeard, mas pogi ka pag wala kang beard at short ang hair mo. Okay? Totoo yun. I believe that. Hayaan mo, one day I will show you a picture of how I look dati. Wala pang beard, wala pang long hair. And then baka magulat kayo. Pogi nga. Joke lang. Alright, anyway, we're here now with our supporting vlog features. Got all this from the Magbobote except one na galing sa sidewalk vendors. Yung thrift shop sa may sidewalk. Okay? So we have this first one from the Magbobote. Look at this, no? This is nakalagay dito, no? Nakalagay sa laptop lock. Meron palang ganun. Kung yung bisikleta, yung kotse, may mga locking mechanism para hindi manakawan. Meron palang laptop or netbook mechanism na lock. You see? With yung dial lock para mag-open siya. So, siguro ang idea doon, pag sarado yung laptop, hindi pwedeng buksan kasi lalagyan mo ng lock. Right now, I have no idea how this thing works kasi it's the first time I've seen it. At so, how can I use it? Wala ning combination. Siguro, dadalhin mo sa isang magsususi, bubuksan, kaya lang wala naman siyang screw para ma-open to. Ay, meron pala. Ito yata sa side ito. I think, no? So, para mabuksan to, and para mahulaan yung laptop lock numbers at magamit din. Okay? Kasi it makes sense para walang gagamit ng netbook o laptop nyo. Di ba? No illegal use. Okay? Then, we have this one. I also love yung mga container na bakal na ginagamit na beautiful in design. Okay? For chocolates. Okay? So, this is one of the most beautiful metal containers para sa macadamia nuts. So, napakasarap ng macadamia nuts. May nuts na ka, may chocolate pa. Chocoholic na ba ako? Huwag naman. 32 pieces made in Hawaii. Not Hawaii, it's Hawaii. Okay? So, syempre, wala na siyang laman. Look at this girl, no? She's dancing the hula. Hula. Okay? And maganda ang pagkagawa. Raised ang metal, etching at drawings, no? And you see this symbol here. Pag gumagano sa Hawaii, it means, hello, how are you? Yan ang symbolism. Okay? May ukulele, may tsokolate. It's nice, no? At sa may mga nutrition facts. Kaya mo, I have many other, many more metal containers that I will vlog to you someday. Okay? So now we come to our main, hindi pa, a last supporting vlog feature. Okay? Got this from the sidewalk thrift shop. Meron palang ganun. Naglalakad ka sa road, pagtingin mo sa sidewalk, may mga babae nagbebenta ng mga gamit ng mga thrift items. Okay? So I got this item. Sabi ko, magkano po yun? Sabi, 300 po. O sige, binili ko na. So ladies and gentlemen, I'll just remove this rubber band. No? Just a minute. Okay, yan. Tanggal na. So this is what I got. No? Ayun. This is an army combat knife. Army combat knife. Okay? Mga 1970s pa to. Look at the condition of it. Medyo kalawang na siya, no? Kalawang. Kasi nga, hindi masyadong i-maintain. You should maintain this, okay? So, maganda siya kasi meron pa siyang lagari, saw. Tapos, yung tansan opener. Yung mga butas-butas na yan, ay ginawa para ikabit to Sa M16 rifle mo, nakakabit yung ganun. So, magkakaroon ka ng bayonet fight sa kalaban. Ganun talaga yung gera. Okay? So, this is made of copper, steel. Kasi kalawang eh. Copper does not rust. Okay? Ito, this is made of leather yata or wood. Anyway, yung dulo is called the pommel. Pommel. When you open it, you will find that the handle of the combat knife is hollow. Pero nilagyan ko ng mga nilagyan ko ng mga survival equipment. May band-aid, may needle and sewing thread, may biogesic, bioflu. Okay? Yun nga yung combat knife ni Rambo. Yung loob ng pommel ay may compass to guide you when you're walking through the jungle. Nasa tubig or wherever you are. Okay? So, I tried to buy a compass for this galing sa isang relo, kaya lang hindi ko masya. So, I'm still looking for a compass for this. Okay? So, pagka nakompleto ko na siya, I have plans of selling it. Kasi nga pero may plans din ako na keeping it. So, ganoon talaga, nagda-doubt ako if I will sell or I will display na lang. Okay? So, I will update you of what is my decision. Okay? This combat knife with genuine leather na scabbard, yun ang tawag doon scabbard yung leather. You can put this in your belt, nakasabit ng ganun, or you can put it on your knapsack. Kaya lang this is a deadly weapon. Hindi basta-basta ang dadalhin nyo. Okay? So now we come to our main vlog item, folks. As promised, sabi ko sa'yo, antique lamp. Okay, nagaling China. Okay? So, I will now mabigat siya Pero I will do my best, no? I do my best, but the best was not good enough. Okay, so it is, folks. Ayan, see, nakita niyo po? Ayan ang sinasabi ko sa inyong metal lamp with mechanism. Okay? Meron po siyang mga nakasabit na borloloy, no? At meron siyang mga Chinese or Japanese markings dito. Talagang antique na kasi lumang-luma parang bugbog na siya, di ba? You see this lamp itong lamp na to ay hindi kasama. Nang nabili ko sa magbuputi to, hindi kasama to. In fact, I got this glass lamp, itong part na to, sa isa pang magbuputi. Okay? Meron pa siyang label, nakalagay, Homeworld 50 pesos. And sabi ng sister ko, yung Homeworld ay nasa SM, North EDSA. Oh, talaga? Very good. Okay? So, showing you again, this part is made of marble. Marble. Kaya ang bigat Marble, tapos may aluminum, may zinc, at may steel. Hindi siya copper kasi sabi nga sabi ng magbubuti, sir, tanso yun. Pero nang pinasuri ko sa ibang tao, sabi, sir, ano yan? Zinc. Pero baka itong part baka ito copper. Let's find out, no? Ayan, itsura niya, no? Siguro nga. Okay? Now, I bought this for 700 pesos. Okay? Kasi ayaw pumayag yung magbubuti to go lower kasi antique, sabi niya. Okay? Sa bagay. So, 700 pesos siya, no? Not working. So, ang ginawa ko, I took it to yung gumagawa, yung aking carpenter, kinalas niya, and he said, sir, dalawa po ang ilaw niya. Dito sa gitna, at dito naman sa taas. Okay? So, dali lang, I'll try to activate it. Kukunin ko yung plug. Alright, just a minute. I'll get my outlet. Okay. I-off ko muna isang ring light ko, ha? Okay. Just a minute. There, it's off. Now, I will get the cable. The cable. Dali lang. Alright. Pasensya na, sadali lang. Pausing for a while. Okay, we're set. Umiilaw na po. So now I will show you the lamp na may ilaw up and down. Okay, just a minute. You see it? Ayan, no? So, yun ang base going up. Ayan, may ilaw siya sa gitna at may ilaw sa taas. Do you see it? I hope you see it. Okay? Ayan, so up and down, up and down. Ayun, no? Ilaw sa taas and ilaw sa baba. Ang ganda ng it's beautiful. Kasi, nakikita yung mga Japanese or Chinese characters. Ayan, you see? It's beautiful. With bololoy. Ayan. Okay? So, ayun. Ayan po yung, the chord is original. Ayan. So, putting it down, mabigat siya. Okay? Switching back to regular programming. Sandali lang, I will unplug it and I will put back my ring light. Ayan. Okay, folks? So, ring light back to normal. And then the lamp is still on my side. Okay? Ayan, still on my side. Ayan. Okay, so, anong plans ko for this beautiful antique lamp na palagi ko 1950s? Well, I want to sell it. Kaya lang, baka hindi. Kasi I collect all kinds of lamps. So ngayon, I have 1, 2, and 3 sa isang townhouse ko. I have 3 lamps. 3 or 4 lamps na ayaw kong ibenta. Na ang plano ko ay di-display ko na lang ko sa townhouse ko na bago this year. Sana mangyari yun. Okay? So, yun na yun. If you don't want to sell it, display it na lang and try to restore it. Make it makintab again. Okay? Do some research. I-Google check kung saan galing to. Baka galing Japan or China. Parang hindi Chinese yung sulat. Parang siyang Japanese. Diba? Oo, Japanese. Baka Korean pa nga pala eh. Okay? Alright. So, with that, we conclude our vlog for this time. Ay, salamat! Shh, salamat. We conclude our vlog for this time. I hope to see you again. Pasensya na, medyo late ako kasi nga, I got up late. Woke up about magfa-5 na, usually 4 o'clock. I usually get up by 4 o'clock, okay? So, thank you for staying with me, for vlogging with me. And please give me a good like kasi I like you. And please give me a good subscribe and give me a good comment. Yung bang, Wonderbeard, okay yung mga items mo. Wala ka bang nabibili na mas mahal dyan? O, pwede. Alam mo, I could buy also expensive stuff na thousands na bago. Pero that's not my style. Ang style ko, pupunta ako sa Mugubote. And whatever they offer, bababa ko pa yung presyo eh. Kung pwede lang, piso na lang. Ha? So far, yung pinaka-jackpot ko is nagkwento tuloy ako. Next time na lang yan. Okay, so folks, thank you very much. I hope you be with me always. And me and Billy Crawford will give you an advice that has guided me throughout. Okay? Right. Ba't siya lang ako rin? Okay, sige. Stay with me, okay? So just remember, folks, that wherever you go, you will surely be there. Bye. We love you.